Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register for Fundrise, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, visit the Fundrise website at www.fundrise.com. Once the homepage loads, look for the Get Started button and click on it. You will be prompted to create an account. Fill in your email address in the designated field. Choose a strong password that you can remember. Next, confirm your password by entering it a second time. After that, check the box to agree to the terms of service and privacy policy. Click the Create Account button to proceed. You will receive a confirmation email in your inbox. Open the confirmation email and follow the link provided to verify your address. Once verified, return to the Fundrise site and log in using your email and password. After logging in, you will be taken to a questionnaire. Fill out the required information to help Fundrise understand your investment goals. This may include your investment experience, objectives, and financial situation. Once you've completed the questionnaire, submit your responses. Next, you'll be asked to provide personal information. This typically includes your full name, address, date of birth, and social security number. Complete all fields accurately and click Continue. You may need to answer some questions regarding your net worth and income. Ensure that all information is truthful and up to date. After finishing this section, click Continue again. Now, you will be prompted to choose your investment amount. Decide how much you wish to invest and enter that amount. Review the investment options available based on your input and preferences. Select your preferred investment plan. Once you've made your choice, click on the Invest button. You may need to link a bank account for transferring funds. Provide the required bank account details as prompted. After finalizing your investment, review your choices to ensure everything is correct. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.